And who are you?
I'm Meggie.
Meggie. Meggie.
Oh, are we gonna live here?
Well, not exactly. I'll show you your house later, Meggie.
Meggie?
Yes, this is Meggie.
Well, Mary, we've no words to thank you for your kindness in bringing us here.
Well, when you're as old as I am and as rich, the vultures start to circle. You're my only flesh and blood, Patty. I don't have any sons, and Michael's been dead for over 30 years.
A long time to be alone. I wonder you never married again.
Marry again? And give some man control over me and all I have? Oh, no. No, that's not what I call living. No, as long as I am alive, Drogheda is mine, and only mine. It's well to remember that.
Well, of course, Mary.
Well, let's have Mass right away, and then I'm sure we'd all enjoy a nice hot meal at your table, Mary.
That sounds very nice indeed, Father.
Meggie?